This digital node runs on a PC and allows users to connect a plugin to well-known video games like Counter-Strike and Fortnite that will then process that data for AI, and it rewards users for doing that. The project is backed by Polygon, amongst others, and received over $4.3 million in funding. The node sale is currently on Tier 1 at $200, and the node prices will increase from the 30th of November. And make sure you stay till the end of the video, because I'll show you how you can purchase one of these nodes, I'll give you a discount code, and then I'll show you how you can delegate the node if you don't want to run it yourself. In this video, I'll go over what Play AI is and what they're trying to build. I'll then talk about their backing and the tokenomics for the project. I'll talk about the nodes themselves and how they earn. And lastly, I'll show you how to buy the node, including the discount code, and how to delegate them using one of the node as a service providers. Right, that's it from me. Let's jump straight into this video. So let's jump straight into the Play AI website so we can learn more about this project and what it's trying to achieve. And what we can see from the homepage is that it is an orchestration layer for consumer intelligence. Now that is just a fancy way of saying that they are hoping to integrate AI, artificial intelligence, into consumer-focused products. And they want to start by focusing on gaming. And the reason they want to focus on gaming is because they've got over 3.2 billion gamers globally, and there's a $200 billion market. In fact, Web3 gaming is one of the leading trends in this upcoming bull run. And so they want users to share content, monetize data, and train AI that's going to power the internet. And as I said, they'll be starting with gaming, and I'll be talking through this video about some of the ways in which users can start earning from today, but they're hoping also to use this same methodology for video content, image generation, VR spaces, the list goes on and on. The key things that they're trying to achieve is that there is a lack of high quality data available to train AI models. Number two, there's a lack of incentives for those that are supplying that data. And number three, there is poor coordination between game developers and consumers outside of major AI platforms. So as I mentioned, they're focusing on the gaming niche, and they actually allow users today to integrate their game into the Play AI platform using Unity, Unreal Engine, or browser-based games. It allows the SDK to be implemented, and so it can start extracting that data straight away. And there are four major ecosystems that we can cover. I'll cover the first three in brief, and then I'll go into detail on the fourth one. So the first thing that they have is something called Play Markets. And so this is all of the data that they are going to be collecting from their games. It's going to be aggregated and it's going to be processed using the nodes. Now these nodes are the ones that we have the opportunity to sell later on in this video. Now, the second aspect of the ecosystem is something called the Play Dojo. This is a training ground where the models can take shape. So developers are going to leverage the nodes to train models on the data sets that are being provided by the gaming. And the third thing they have is something called the Play Hub. This is like a ranking system where the AI models and the AI agents in the Play AI ecosystem are ranked and rewarded by the network based on how well they perform. But the fourth major thing that they have is something called the Play Collective. Now, this is super exciting. What it allows users to do is either to stream or to play games, and they can contribute data. They get rewarded in the Play AI token, and the project actually receives the data for it. And you can have a look here at all of the games that they've got available at the moment. Some of these are popular favorites like Fortnite and Counter-Strike, and all you have to do is play the game. There's a number of missions that you can do, and you gain points for doing so. But by implementing the Play AI SDK onto that game, it can start harvesting that data, training it, and then making it available on the Play market that we spoke about. And it's super easy to get involved in the Play Collective. Even if you're a streamer, you can just connect it to your Twitch account, and then you can start earning points straight away. And it will start extracting that data from the game that you are playing. Now, hopefully that gives you an idea of what Play AI is trying to do. It's starting on the gaming niche, but it's hoping to expand that to many different forms of online streaming data. I'm going to pause the video here. If you haven't subscribed already, consider liking the video and pressing subscribe. It helps the algorithm, and it also helps you learn about new projects that you can get in early for. Right, enough disturbing you. Let's get back to the video. Now, the project itself actually has quite a lot of backers and partners. You can probably recognize Aether and IOTEX for the decentralized GPU and node infrastructure. And then they've got a number of other marketplaces like Agent Layer, which is focused on AI agents as a marketplace. We did a video on that actually in the channel. And the project actually attracted over $4.3 million in its seed round from some of these ventures. And you can probably recognize Polygon here amongst some of the other projects. And so you can see that the project is backed by some big investors, and it's also got a big ecosystem. Let's quickly skip towards the actual tokenomics for this project and the play token that you'll be rewarded in. You can see here that 20% are put aside for ecosystem rewards, and there's also additional airdrops for those users that are going to get in early. And you can have a look here at the total token supply, as well as the vesting periods for the ecosystem rewards. It's about 1 to 3 on a cliff basis. Now, having a quick look at the roadmap, you can see that the node sale is currently going on at the moment. Mainnet expected in December, with the token launch happening in January of 2025. So we're only a month away from that. Now, powering Play AI are the Oasis nodes, and these are actually available for sale at the moment. Now, these nodes are quite limited in number. There's 1,200 in total, and there's only 1,130 nodes left. And the awesome thing about this is that they immediately deploy and you can immediately start earning. You can either run them on your own PC, or you can delegate them to a node as a service provider like NodeOps. Remember, if you do use them, you can use my discount code to get extra discounts. Now, the nodes have a special function for Play AI, and they decentralize the computing components of the project. They handle data processing, training, and the AI model inferencing. And they also help with the decentralized storage and computation tasks. They don't have super high requirements, with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 20 gigabytes of storage. And you can download any of the OSs to run this yourself. You can run it, as I said, through NodeOps, and I'll put a link in the description if you want to make use of that offer. Of course, I'll have a discount code for that as well. And it's estimated that you'll get 5 tokens a day, and this is immediately because you can start earning straight away. And that'll be an annual reward of about 1,900 with an airdrop allocation of around 750. You'll earn those rewards on a weekly basis. And with the token generation happening in January, we can only hope what that's going to achieve. Purchasing the node is super easy. You simply click the link in the description. They're $200 per node, and that's without my discount code. You choose the number of nodes that you want to purchase. You go straight to the cart. You can increase or decrease the number of nodes that you want to buy here. Now remember, you've only got until the 30th of November before this tier 1 price is locked in. After that, the price is going to increase. Simply click to go to checkout. Once you've connected your wallet, you simply enter your email address, type in the discount code PASSIVECRYPTO. You may need to do it in capital letters if it doesn't work in lowercase. That'll apply a 6% discount, and you can buy with credit card or buy with crypto. If choosing crypto, you can pay in any of these tokens: Ethereum, USDC, USDT, etc., etc. And it'll be a simple process of paying and then receiving your NFT. Now, once you've done that, as I mentioned, you can either run it straight away, or you can use a node as a service provider. I'll put a link in the description, but you simply click on Play AI in NodeOps, connect the wallet, fetch NFT, and I'll put a discount code if you want a discount on that deployment. Let me know what your thoughts are on the AI gaming ecosystem. I am excited about this project mainly because of its backing and the partnerships that they have. And if you're interested in these types of digital nodes, then you can check this one out here. Right, that's it from me. I'll catch you in the next video.